there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change watch face on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Let's get started. So basically, there's two ways how to do it. The first one is directly on the watch and the second one via Mi Fitness app. Let's start with the watch. So to change a watch face, we would need to hold our finger on our current watch face until you will see appear this menu on the screen. Here is it how it looks. And now to change your watch face, we would need to swipe up or swipe down to see some more variations which you can be interested in. So for example, let's choose the same one. By clicking on it, you'll save it and you can enjoy your new watch face. But we also have an option to customize it. For that, we would need to hold our finger on the watch face again and then click on this settings icon. By clicking on it, you will be back on your watch face and then you can swipe down to change the color or swipe up. Here is it how it looks. And also by holding your finger on the watch face, you can change the frame. As you can see, it's fade right now, and if I will hold my finger, it will change to normal. And this is it. Now let's move on to the Mi Fitness app. So to change the watch face with the help of this app, we would need to open it and then go to this tab which is named Device. Here go to this tab which is named Online. And on this one, you'd be able to see a lot of options for your new watch face, and also you can see some categories, which is utility, formal, custom, workout, and all. And on the local one, you can see your watch faces that you have already downloaded. So let's choose one of the watch faces on the online tab. So for example, let's choose this one. And then we would need to click on this orange data apply and wait until the watch face will be downloaded. It can take a while. So after the watch face has downloaded, it will immediately install on your watch. You can see it here, and also some of the watch faces has option as customization. So I'll move on to this tab local and here choose this watch face. And here you can see this customization options, which is color of the clock, which can be changed. You can see it on the preview how it changes, and also style, which we can change on this tab. And this is it. Now I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.